I do have a list of things when I am looking for the perfect truly wireless earbud, and at the top of that list is comfortability. Now keep up with me for a second. Some people might go with sound quality first, or design or look first, but for me it's comfortability. If I can't wear these earbuds for an extended period of time, then all of that other stuff is out the window. I don't even want to put them in my ears. I don't even want to use them because I can't get a good fit out of them.
I see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. This company, Harmonic Labs, they sent me these Lytte HarmoniQ truly wireless earbuds to test out, and I do believe that their list is similar to my list when it comes to having comfortability at the top of that list for truly wireless earbuds. So Harmonic Labs did send me these earbuds to review, but as always, I'll give you my full unbiased review, and if I do find anything wrong about them, I will point that out, and I will also state everything that I do like about these earbuds. So what they did with these earbuds is they've taken thousands of ear impressions, analyzed them to find that most optimal acoustic shape. And also, if you go on their Indiegogo page right now, they have a video of how they actually make these, and I'll put that video right here, not the link but the actual video. So how they make these earbuds is that they spend 80 minutes of printing time for each earbud. They use 896 layers and also 30 minutes of polishing time. As you can tell, they spend a lot of time to make sure that these earbuds right here are the most optimal shape for your ears. So right now, I believe at the time of me shooting and publishing this video, there's about 10 to 12 days left to back this on Indiegogo, and as always, I'll put that link in the description down below. Right now, you can pre-order these for $109, which is 52% off of their original price of $229. These only come in a black color, but I do know this is like their first initial launch to consumers, so they're only starting out with black. Hopefully more colors to come. Now the battery life on here, you do get 5 hours of playback time on a single charge. The charging case will charge your earbuds back up for 30 additional hours for a total of 35 hours of playback time. And then the charge time on here takes around 45 minutes to charge up your earbuds and about an hour and a half to charge up the charging case. And these are IPX4 water resistant, so you will have no issues taking these to the gym or maybe even getting caught in the rain. You'll be good to go on here. This also has an aptX Qualcomm chipset and Bluetooth 5.0. Quickly go around this box. There's really nothing much more to talk about outside of all the specs that I just gave you. On the front side, you do have a nice product image, and it does say Lytte HarmoniQ True Wireless Earbuds, and that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open these up and see exactly how these sound, feel, and all that other good stuff. On the inside of this box, as you open it up, you do see it, again, it says Lytte HarmoniQ by Harmonic Labs, and as you open this up, it's like a trifold. You have your, I believe these are ear tips over here. You have your charging case right here. You have the earbuds right here sitting on top. Underneath this tab right here, there is nothing. I thought there would be some literature, but maybe it's on this side. But let me set that to the side right now. You do get one set of ear tips right here, and then underneath this tab you get another set of ear tips, and then the literature right here, which probably talks about the button functions and everything, and I'll get into that in a little bit. And then you also get a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. Having a USB type C charging cable is always a good look. So this charging case right here, I mean, it does have a good size to it. It's not too big. It's like a medium sized charging case. It's not the biggest that I've seen, but also it's not the smallest. You do get your USB type C charging port on the back side. You have two indicator lights on the back side. I'm guessing that's when it's charging up the case or the earbuds. I don't believe this is a wireless charging case, but let me double check. This is not a wireless charging case. The lid door, it seems to be held open by just springs. I'm not sure if it's magnetized. It doesn't really feel magnetized, but either way it goes, it will not open up no matter how much you shake it. So it'll be perfect inside of a bag or a purse or whatever you want to put these in. You don't have to worry about these falling out. So now for the earbuds, and off of first glance, you do see that these are very ergonomic shape. It might be a little bit different than what you're used to. They do have labeled left and right on the outside. They do have touch controls as well. And if you've been following my channel, I'm not the biggest fan of touch controls, but we'll see how it goes with these. You have one mic on the outside of each earbud, and also on the outside of the touch surface, you do have the company logo as well. Yeah, like I said, this is an all plastic design, very ergonomic, different than what I'm used to. Now let me go ahead and set these in my ears and see how they actually fit. Okay, so I mean, They definitely stay true to exactly everything that they have listed on their website and everything. These things are comfortable. They might stick out a little bit further in my ears than what I like, but I can definitely see myself wearing these for an extended period of time. And yeah, they just fit really well in my ears. I would like to maybe see if they could cut these in half, get all the tech that's inside of it more compact, but I'm guessing that the shape of these is what helps out with the more acoustic balanced sound that they say that you get out of this product. Okay, so you do get 6 total ear tips in all. You get 5 in the different packages, and then 1 already comes pre-installed. There is a difference between the 2 different sets. So on set 1, you do have a bigger ear hole. You do get a small, medium, large in both sets, and then on set 2, you have a smaller ear hole inside of this ear tips. That's everything that's inside of this box. Let me go ahead and put this stuff away and test out how these actually sound, perform, call quality, latency, and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I test the sound quality out, call quality, latency, and everything. But before I get into that, let me quickly go over these button functions with you real quick. 1 tap on the left or right earbud will end and answer phone calls, play and pause music. A double tap on the left one will go to the previous track. A double tap on the right one will go to the next track. If you press and hold the left one, it'll turn the volume down. If you press and hold the right one, it'll turn the volume up. If you tap and hold while you're getting a phone call, it will reject the phone call. And then also, if you triple tap either earbud, it will activate your voice assistant. So when I tested out the sound quality on these, they sound pretty good. I wish they were louder, but I mean, with the right ear tips in here, and I did switch back to the ones that came on here from, I believe it's set 2, the medium ones, I'm getting really good passive noise cancellation. So these obviously don't have active noise cancellation in here, but the ear tips and the ergonomic fit and the design of these earbuds really help out with that passive noise cancellation. So I'm not too upset about it not being that loud. I wish it was louder, but they do a really good job of blocking out the outside noises. And also the highs, they're crystal clear highs. It's a good sound when it comes to the highs. The mids are really balanced on any track that I listen to. The lows actually impressed me because I'm actually getting a lot more bass out of these than what I expected. I don't know if they designed these for the bass heads, but these are some of the earbuds that I've tested that I experienced the best bass out of. So all around, I think the sound is a very dynamic sound. I just wish that they did get a little bit louder, but that's pretty much it. Sound quality is very good in my opinion. Unfortunate thing that I have to share with you about these earbuds is that you are not able to use them independently. I do believe that Harmonic Labs need to incorporate that. I don't know if they can do another version or whatever, but they do need to have these to play independently from each other. I know people that watch my videos, they often ask, can you listen to it independently? And that's probably a no-go for them. So these do not have that ability. And also there is no auto pause feature in here. You pretty much either have to manually pause it or throw the earbuds back in the case for it to pause your music. So this is exactly how the other person will hear you when you're taking phone calls. And the good thing about these is that they are in stereo, but one of the downfalls is that when I do run these tests, I put simulated crowd noise in the background on my Google Home Max, and I only had it turned up halfway, and my dad was barely able to hear me. He said that the sound in the background, it was just as loud as my voice talking. So I don't know how these will actually work out for you in an environment, say if you're outside walking and everything. I do believe that this can be improved if they added more mic holes. I only spotted 2 mic holes on these earbuds. So Harmonic Labs, if you do watch this video, definitely think about adding another mic hole for call quality. And also latency for these earbuds, you will not have any issues if you're a big movie watcher. Now I didn't test these out with playing video games. I'm not sure about that, but definitely watch it on any movie streaming service, YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, you know, all your usual suspects. You'll get no issues with latency. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for my review of these Lytte HarmoniQ earbuds by Harmonic Labs. I mean, I think they really put the emphasis on comfort and sound quality. They didn't really take into consideration some of the other factors like being able to listen to these independently or having a very good call quality experience, because they do only have 1 mic. And I know some people might not like how big they sit outside of your ears, but on the other end, what I did notice, which is kind of weird, I'm not a big fan of touch gestures, but these stick out of your ears just enough so that you're not getting accidental touches. You can actually feel around them as soon as you put your hand up to your ears and then get a proper touch on them. I don't know if that really matters, but that's just my opinion. One thing that I would like to see in the sound department is maybe if they can raise the volume up. I'm not sure if they had that issue in the past. I would definitely like to have these go up a little bit more. And then also, as these stick out of your ears, I know this is kind of contradicting my last statement on the touch surfaces, but I would like them to try to cut it down halfway and see if you can still get the same fit and the same sound, but maybe that wasn't an option when they were designing these. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification on when I drop my next tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.